Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone setting, and today video title is guys auto rotate screen, how to on and use. Friends, you want to on, you want to use guys your Tecno phone guys auto rotate screen. So how to on and use Tecno phone auto rotate today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video guys. So first of all guys, we will on Tecno phone setting. After on phone setting guys, where is auto rotate screen, so guys you can find your auto rotate display brightness setting. So friends, you can see display brightness setting, we will on adaptive brightness you want to on, so you can on and you can use from here. Eye care setting is here guys, you can on and use. Dark theme guys you want to on, so you can on your dark theme and you can off also. Screen time mode we can change from here. So friends, you can see your auto rotate screen is off, so I will on first of all. After on guys, how to use it. So as you can see, after on guys auto rotate guys, when I will use my Tecno phone and app example YouTube guys, we will select. So as you can see, my screen rotate automatic. You can see guys, the screen will rotate automatic in my phone. So guys, we call it auto rotate screen, and guys after on guys we can use like that auto rotate screen in Tecno phone. Screen will rotate like that. So like that guys, we can on, and once we can use this auto rotate screen in Tecno phone. And once you want to off, you don't want to use, so how to off guys, click on your phone search bar and get direct we will off. The shortly setting guys, auto rotate setting is here, click here and get direct guys, you can turn off from here and you can on. So like that guys, we can on and we can off auto rotate screen in Tecno mobile. So I hope friends you understood how to on and off use auto rotate in Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubt related to your screen rotate setting, your display brightness setting, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.